Dude, what are you doing? Jeez, I'm waiting for the snowstorm to hit in Michigan. At what time? 1 p.m. But it's 2:30 p.m. right now. Oh, just give her time, and we should see snow in about 10 minutes to 8 hours. Wait, what? You see, Michigan, she's a little bipolar, and when you... Oh my God, what is it? Wait, what is it? Oh man, I told you, check this out. It's starting. That's nothing, I can even handle that. Oh, you dumb piece of rotten fruit. That doesn't make any sense. I know it looks easy now, but don't make her mad. Don't make her mad. It's coming. Well, are we going to be okay? Man, we are Michiganders. We can handle anything. But I'm not a Michigander, I'm just visiting. Okay, well, you might die. What? I said, please don't cry. I'm not crying. I'm not, you're crying.